What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video, and thank you for coming to the channel. Now, today's going to be a different type of video. I know we do mostly video gaming stuff, and I apologize for the noise, but we are on the side of a highway. There goes a motorcycle. But today, we're going to be working on our 2020 Honda Civic Touring. Now, we're just going to be adding a blow-off valve adapter plate. I will show you when we get to opening the hood what I mean by that. This car comes with a recirculation valve. It doesn't vent to atmosphere, and basically I want the push. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now that we have the hood open, our recirculating blow-off valve is right there. Okay? And basically what that does is instead of venting the air to atmosphere, it'll recirculate it back into the housing. Now, what we're going to be doing is adding this Torque Solutions spacer plate. It supplies extra bolts that are longer so that when you space it out, you're not short. And this allows the air to come through here, go into the valve, exit by blowing it off, and instead of recirculating, it'll come right out here. So these bolts here, they're 10 millimeter, and the bolts down here, right there, and one in the corner, those are 8 millimeters. So unfortunately, I haven't done a video like this before, but basically this is just showing you where it is, what I'm adding, and the finished product. So we will see you when it is back installed. So it's all installed. That's the final product. It just goes in there between the old valve. The old valve is tested. It doesn't leak, so you don't need to replace it unless you're running high boost applications, and we'll get some video clips for you.